If your GoDaddy website is showing a DNS server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. This is one of the most common domain issues, and it usually comes down to either the wrong name servers, incorrect DNS records, or duplicate entries causing conflicts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check everything properly and get your domain pointing where it should. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to My Products. This is where all of your purchased domains and hosting products are listed. Under the Domain section, find the domain that's giving you the DNS server error, and then click DNS next to that domain. Now you're inside the DNS management area, and the first thing you want to check is your name servers. Name servers tell the internet where your domain is being hosted, so if they're wrong, your site may not load at all. If you see that the name servers are incorrect, click Change Name Servers. At this point, you'll need to choose the correct option based on where your website is hosted. If you're using GoDaddy hosting, select GoDaddy Default Name Servers. If you're using an external service like Cloudflare or another hosting provider, choose Custom Name Servers and enter the name servers provided by that service. Make sure you enter them exactly as given, because even a small typo can cause the DNS error to continue. Once you've made the update, save your changes. After that, scroll down and check your DNS records. This is another very important step, because a correct name server setup won't help if the records themselves are wrong. Start with the A record. The A record should have the host set to the @ symbol, which means your root domain. The value should be the IP address provided by your web host. If this IP address is wrong, your domain won't know where to send visitors. Next, check the CNAME record. For most websites, the CNAME should have the host set to www, and the value should usually be the @ symbol or your main domain name. This helps make sure visitors can reach your site whether they type the domain with www or without it. Again, accuracy matters here, so double-check every character. Now look for any incorrect or duplicate records. Duplicate A records, old CNAME entries, or conflicting DNS entries can all trigger server errors and make your domain behave unpredictably. If you see records that don't match your current hosting setup, remove them carefully. Only delete records if you're sure they're outdated or incorrect. If you're not certain, it's better to compare them with your hosting provider's recommended DNS settings before making changes. Once everything looks correct, give the changes some time to update. DNS changes can sometimes apply quickly, but in many cases they may take a little while to fully propagate across the internet. So if the site doesn't work instantly, don't panic. Refresh after a bit and check again. If your GoDaddy DNS server error was caused by bad name servers or incorrect records, these steps should fix it. The key is to make sure your domain, hosting, and DNS settings all match up properly. That's what gets your website back online and working the way it should. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more GoDaddy or website troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.